Okay, so hopefully you've had a go at those at home. We have at school. First of all, 5% of 140. What do we know already? What can we use?
10%.
10%. We all know how to find 10% because you need to divide by 10, which will be 14. Good. So if 10% is 14, 5% would be half of that, which would be 7. Good. Okay. 5% of 260. Use the same method. Find 10%, which will be 26, and then find 5%, which is half of that, which will be 13. Good. Okay. Now, 10% of 1 metre 80. Now, that's not so easy because you've got mixed units, you've got metres and centimetres. So I've converted it into centimetres. 1 metre 80 is 180 centimetres. Then it's easy to do. If you do 10% of 180, it will be 18. But we don't want 10%, we want 5%, which will be 9. And of course, we have to put the unit of measure, which is centimetres. Good. Right, then we're using that information, but we're moving on. 15% of 6 metres. Again, I would convert that into 600 centimetres even, so that it makes it easier to deal with. All right? So, I don't know about 15%, but what do I know? 10%. Good. 10% divided by 10, which is 60. Good. Right. And from that, I can work out 5%, because that's half, which will be 30. If I put together my 10% and 5%, it makes 15%. So if I put together my answers, I would get 90 centimetres. Good. Okay, so use what you know. 35% of 3 kilograms, I would convert that to 3,000 grams. I don't know about 35%, but what do I know?
You know 10 and 25.
I know 10, yeah, and 25. So I think I'll start with 10. But you could use 25 as well, you're quite right. So 10% will be, divided by 10?
300. So
20% will be, in fact, I don't really need to do that, because I know 10% is 300. To find 30% is just going to be 3 of those, isn't it? 3 lots of 10 make 30. So 3 lots of 300 will be 900. Okay, so now I found 30%, but I still need the 5. How can I find the 5?
By halving the 10%.
Yeah, half the 10%, which is 300, half of that will be 150. So I'm going to need to add together the 5% and the 30% to make 35%. So that's 150 plus 900, which will be 1,050, which you could leave in grams, or you could convert it to 1 kilogram and 50 grams. Doesn't matter which. Both the same answer. Okay. 65% of 2 hours. Be careful with hours. How many minutes are there in an hour? 60. So 2 hours, 120 minutes. Right, what do I need to know for that?
You could do half.
I could do half, which is 50%. That's quite a chunk already. So 50% would be a half. What's a half of 120, everybody?
60.
Good. Right, but then I'm going to need 10%, and I'm going to need 5% to make 65 altogether. 10% of that will be 12. So 5% will be half of that, which is 6. So I will put together my 50, my 10 and my 5 to make 65. And I would add these together to find my answer, which is 60, 70, 76, 78. Which is 78 minutes, which of course will be 1 hour and 18 minutes. Okay? Right, at home you're going to have a go at Chili Challenge. Choose your level of challenge. There are various sheets to choose from. Choose something that is going to suit your maths brain and make you think, but not fry your maths brain.